Hi, my kindergarten friends. So I have loved seeing all of your castle drawings. I hope you enjoyed reading the castle book last week. So this week we are going to be going back to collages, okay? We've made collages the week before, and we're going to be making castle collages, okay? So remember what you did the week before was we made some colored paper first. So we drew on paper, we drew different patterns, and then we cut that paper up and we made a collage. We used a glue stick and scissors and we made a collage with that. So we're gonna be doing the same thing today, but our collage is going to be a castle. So I'm gonna show you now how I'm gonna make my castle collage. All right. Okay, everybody, so as we remember from last week, we made castle drawings to kind of make a plan for what our castle collage was going to be. So this is my drawing from last week, and I'm just going to put it to the side, but I'm going to use it to look at. So what we have here is, you'll remember when we made our collages a few weeks ago, we drew on paper, right? So I just made a design. This design is all different types of lines and different colors. And then I decided to make two because I wanted to mix and match. And then this design has a lot of swirls. So once we finish making designs on paper, then we're going to be getting ready to cut this paper out to make our castle. Okay, and we're gonna be using shapes. We're gonna be cutting out shapes using our scissors and gluing them onto our papers using our glue sticks, okay? So let's see, I'm looking at my castle here. I'm seeing some triangles, we have some rectangles, and I'm also gonna show you today how to cut out this shape. It's a really good thing to practice. So I have my glue stick, I have my scissors, and I'm going to start by just cutting out some rectangles, okay? And that's pretty easy. I'm gonna cut out one here, one here. Now I'm gonna glue those on. I'm just gonna put them here for now just to show you. I will be gluing them down though, okay? And now I'm gonna cut out a longer rectangle. Two longer rectangles, okay? Those longer rectangles are gonna be the ones on the sides and maybe this one in the middle. Okay, so maybe that longer rectangle would go like that. And I wanna show you now how to cut out that castle line. So watch what I'm doing. I'm taking a rectangle shape here, and then watch. This is tough. This is kind of similar to the zigzag line, but I'm really just cutting out little squares, okay? So watch again. All right, I'm cutting out little squares, and that makes it look like a castle. All right, and I just want to remind you how to carefully use the glue to glue it down. We're gonna put the glue on the back of the paper that we cut out, and then we're gonna neatly stick it on. That's what's easy for me. It could also be easy for you to put the glue on the paper first, but that's up to you, okay? Whoop. You can just move it over. All right, so next I'm gonna show you what it looks like when I have some more parts done. Okay, so I've done a little bit more, and as you can see, I've started to cut out shapes to start to make my castle, and I'm actually going to take a marker, and you have markers too, so you can do this and you can draw over it so it ends up looking more like a castle. Like, it might be hard to see some of these lines that I cut out of paper if it's against the white paper, so you can even draw over it, okay? So it sticks out a little better. And then you can see I also cut out castle-shaped lines with this longer rectangle as well, okay? So remember, this is all cut out paper that I've glued down. I want to show you a little bit more. So I still want to add some triangles at the top. Okay, I want to add some triangles and some circles. So remember, to make a triangle, I can just find a corner and cut it. Okay, or you can take another shape, find a corner from it and cut it. And I'm going to put these two triangles on top of these rectangles, just like that. There we go. And then it's really nice practice to try and cut out a circle, okay? And this isn't easy. We practiced this when we made our mouse shapes, but just watch. I'm not really moving the scissors. I'm moving my hand to turn to make the circle. I'm gonna put that one on top. And I'm gonna make one more that I'm gonna cut out. So I usually start, you can start with just cutting out a little square to get that circle. Another way to do it is to cut off the edges, the corners, okay? Put a little glue on, glue that on top. And now that I'm done with my castle part again, I can go back in with a marker and make little designs. Like I'm gonna make like a little window here, and a little window here. It's really starting to look like a castle. And I'm just gonna draw around some of the shapes I made. Some of these are a little hard to see because the paper is light and it's on white paper, so do your best, okay? And I'm gonna outline this. Okay, and remember, outline is going over something using marker. All right. Can outline the door. I'm gonna make another little window here. Another little window here. And I think that's about it. I think I really like the way that my castle looks, just like that. If you want, you could even add another castle line to make it a little more like a castle, and see how it's just squares like that. Okay. Okay, my friends, so I'm really excited to see how your castle collages come out. If you need any help, you have my phone number, you have my email, okay? Have an adult help you if this is a little challenging for you. This is definitely a challenging project, but I know all of you can do it, okay? So get your glue sticks ready, get your scissors ready, get your crayons and markers ready, and have fun. All right, my friends, I miss and love you all so, so much. All right, bye-bye.